Welcome to the future, not some distant sci-fi dream, but the world we're stepping into right now. In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just behind your apps or screens, it's on your wrist, in your home, and even helping you sleep better. Today, we're exploring 10 mind-blowing AI gadgets that are transforming everyday life in ways you won't believe. Let's dive in. Number 1. HiiDuo P1, your AI-powered meeting partner. Imagine your Bluetooth earphones turning into a real-time assistant. That's what the HiiDuo P1 does. It listens, records, cleans up noise, transcribes, and even summarizes conversations all on the go. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or an important boardroom meeting, it knows who's talking and even translates languages live. It's like carrying a multilingual secretary in your pocket. Number 2. DJI Flip, foldable drone with a smart eye. Aerial filming just got smarter. The DJI Flip is a compact, foldable drone that shoots stunning 4K at 60 FPS and uses AI to track movement and capture epic shots with zero effort. With 6 intelligent flight modes and built-in safety features, it's perfect for content creators, travelers, or anyone looking to level up their video game. Number 3. HiiDuo Air Duster, AI meets cleaning. This isn't just an air blower, it's a 90,000 revolutions per minute beast with AI brains. The HiiDuo Air Duster shows real-time battery stats and has a modular design that transforms it into a fan, power bank, and soon even a shaver. It's the Swiss Army knife of smart cleaning tools. Number 4. Moonside Star Bulb, intelligent mood lighting. Who needs boring bulbs when you can light your room like a galaxy? This futuristic bulb comes with 96 individually programmable LEDs, fully customizable via voice or app. With Matter support, it integrates with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit to set the perfect vibe automatically. Number 5. Chill Shark, smart cold therapy. Cold plunges go high-tech with Chill Shark, an AI-powered device that converts your regular tub into a smart ice bath. Through a mobile app, it cools water to your preferred temp on schedule. No more messy prep, just optimized recovery for athletes, biohackers, and anyone chasing peak performance. Number 6. Circular Ring 2, the tiny health genius. Smaller than a gram, but packed with hospital-grade sensors, this smart ring tracks sleep, oxygen levels, heart rate, and more. With AI-driven insights, it helps you understand when to rest, recover, or push harder, and yes, it lasts over 10 days on one charge. Number 7. Dr. Cushion, Sleep Tech Reimagined. This isn't just a mattress pad, it's a sleep revolution. With real-time posture detection, cooling control, and massage features, Dr. Cushion adjusts its firmness as you move and even wakes you gently. It also offers detailed sleep analytics to help you rest smarter, not just longer. Number 8. Mato CR, Smart Shades, AI Windows. No wires, no drills, no batteries, just solar-powered, AI-integrated smart shades that install in minutes. They adjust to time of day, light levels, and even your sleep cycle, syncing seamlessly with your smart home setup. Number 9. FanBat, your pocket-sized climate control. This mini gadget is both a personal fan and a power bank, adjusting fan speed based on your surroundings. Whether you're hiking or commuting, FanBat keeps you and your devices cool and charged. Number 10. Pro-colored K8 DTF printer, AI for creators. Creators, rejoice! The K8 DTF printer lets you turn your designs into wearable art with laser precision. Its AI monitors each print, reducing waste and errors, perfect for small businesses, artists, and side hustlers ready to launch their own merch line. The bigger picture: these aren't just cool gadgets, they're part of a smarter, more intuitive world. Picture this. You wake up to sunlight through automated shades, your smart mattress gently nudging you awake, and your health ring already tracking your rest. This isn't luxury anymore, it's the new normal. AI is no longer locked in code. It's embedded in our routines, shaping how we live, sleep, create, and even recover. From proactive healthcare to smart lighting, AI is becoming the silent partner making your life easier, one device at a time. So tell us which gadget blew your mind the most. Drop a comment below, we read them all. And if you love staying ahead of the curve in tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because this is just the beginning. Welcome to the age of AI-enhanced living.